Hey guys, so what's going on? Today is Tuesday. It's live stream day. I go live every Tuesday, and I'm going live in about, less than an hour. But I also posted a video this morning, and I posted two YouTube shorts as well. But see, I don't usually post anything on Tuesdays except for the live stream. But I was kind of wondering, what's the best way to do this? See, a couple of days ago, I made a video. I made two videos at one time. So I set up a behind the scenes camera, a second microphone, and I filmed myself going through the entire process of making a video. That video that I made within the video is the one I released this morning. That's about eye contact and whatnot. It's about a 10-minute video. But if you're interested in knowing how I made that, then watch the behind the scenes video, which it's not on YouTube yet. Well, depending on when you're watching this, it might be. But it's behind the scenes. I had another camera set up, filming two cameras, and I had a secondary microphone, and it was kind of complicated how I kind of had to be cognizant of the two different videos I was making at the same time. But then I had to figure out, what's the best way to release these? And what I decided was I'd release the video within the video, the short one first, and that was released this morning. Now I'm making this one. I just decided to throw this what's going on video at the last minute. I thought maybe I better explain this. So this is going out after my live stream, once I edit it together. And then once I finish editing the behind the scenes video, which is quite a bit longer, it's 35 minutes, I think is what it's going to be. I'm going to send that out probably Wednesday morning, so tomorrow morning. But yeah, if you're at all interested in how I do this, so I'm going to take you through how I looked at my bullet points, I prepared those, I sat down, recorded the video. You can see me record the video, and then I go to my editing desk, and you can see everything I do from getting the footage off of my cameras into my computer, how I edit it all together, sync it up with the audio. And all of that is in the behind the scenes video. So again, if you're at all interested in that, take a look for that behind the scenes video. Now, each of those two videos will have links to the other. So depending on which one you watch first, you can go watch the other one if you're curious. Okay, so that's all I wanted to say here. I hope you enjoy. This is going to be a very short video, but I've got nothing else to add to it, so let's just stop it here. And hopefully I'll see you in the live stream in 50 minutes from now. All right, guys, take care. Bye.